Massage helps, stretching helps, but there's something deeper going on with your hips. So if you wake up with stiff hips in the morning and they feel tight and achy when you get up from a chair, probably stretching isn't going to fix it. Now don't get me wrong, stretching and massage both have their place, but they often only give you short-term relief. In this video, I'm going to share with you one simple move that loosens up tight hips faster than stretching ever will. And that move is called a CAR, Controlled Articular Rotations, and it's designed to move your hip through full range of movement with maximum tension and control. Now that means we're mobilizing the joint but using our muscles to control the movement. Because when we do that, the muscles get stronger, which takes the load off the joint and hopefully in time reduce the achiness and stiffness of that joint. So if you haven't met yet, I'm Gavin. I co-own New Zealand's only fitness studio for people over the age of 40. And it's crazy to see how many people have tight hips, and this one CAR move is a lot of relief to many of my clients. So if you have got chronic hip pain, it's a very good idea to visit a doctor or a physiotherapist to absolutely diagnose you on an independent level. But if you're just stiff and achy, then this might loosen that up for you. Now before we jump in, I've got a full strength guide you can have absolutely free. It's been downloaded over 20,000 times and specifically designed for people over 40 because that's what I do here in my gym. And to get a copy of that guide, just comment strength down below and I will send it to you absolutely free. There's one move, but it's one move done on two different ways, okay? So the first one's gonna be standing. The second one is gonna be kneeling on all fours, okay? So if you have trouble getting down on all fours, your knees may hurt, then do the first version. If you can do both, give them both a try because they absolutely work different ranges of the hip. CAR exercise is simple. You're gonna lift up your leg this way. Okay, so what this is doing is strengthening on your hip flexors, the muscles that flex the hip upwards. Then you're gonna take it out to the side, work on the glute medius. Then you're gonna rotate it back around, which works on the hamstring and the glute. Then you're gonna reverse it back around and back down. Touch the floor, come back up, all the way out and around. And what's gonna happen as well is that while this is getting some work moving through the range of movement, the other leg on the other side, the glute medius and the glute and the small muscles in the feet are all working at the same time as well. So you get a really good double benefit of this exercise. And just work through the range that you have. Now I've got pretty good range of movement in my hips. If you haven't, then work with what you've got. But what I want you to do is bring it up as high as you can, take it out as far as you can, rotate it down as far as you can and bring it back up, and you will get better at this as you do it. What I want you to do though is do this for about 12 to 15 reps. So it's 1, 2, 3, okay? And if you can't get to 12 to 15, if it starts getting really hard at about 6 or 8, then you can stop at that, absolutely fine. But with time, try and do a few more because your muscles will get stronger, which will allow you to do more of it. Now the next version, like I said, is gonna be laying down on your 4 points. So it's your hands and your knees this way. And again, you're gonna get a little bit of core work done with this as well. So when you lift up one leg off the bed, your core has to work pretty hard. So what does it look like? You're gonna take it out to the back, all the way through, up to your elbow, back to your knee. Elbow, out, up, so foot hits the seating, and back down. So up, out, and down. And again, 12 to 15 on each side. If you can do that, then you're gonna swap over and do the other side. My preferred way of doing this is to do a set standing and then a set on your hands and knees like this. You're gonna hit every single aspect of that hip. You can do it from different angles, working all the muscles exactly as they need to be worked. Now, if you are looking for a little bit more support, a little bit more of accountability, I've got something called the Lifelong Strong Club. And inside that club is a community of people over the age of 40, 50, 60, 70, okay, all working on the strength, health and fitness. And it's called Lifelong Strong because I want you to be strong for life. I want you to have lifestyle fitness, to do all the things that you love to do, whether it be gardening, playing with the grandchildren, you know, becoming more independent if you feel like you're losing it. And that's exactly what this place is for. When you join in, there's an opportunity to do a fitness test so you can see where your base level of fitness is. And then every single month you get a brand new strength training program, which is joint friendly, no jumping, no heavy weights, and you can progress as you go along. At the end of the day, we know that fitness and strength isn't just something you do for 2 or 3 days or weeks or months. It's something you do continuously forever. And biggest barrier to that is boredom. So if you've got lots of different workouts that you can do, hit every single major muscle group of the body with a community to support you as well, you're gonna do it far, far better than trying to piece bits of YouTube information together. Not only that, you get access to me as well. I'm really active in there. Coach people one-to-one within the group as well. If you need modifications, I can do that. If you've got any problems going on, I can diagnose them for you. And it's a fantastic place to be looking to get strong for the rest of your life. If you are interested, there's a link in the description and the first comment. So go and check those out. You get a 7-day free trial as well. So you can just pop your head in, have a little look around. You can jump out if you don't think it's right for you. I'm going to leave a video in the top left-hand corner, which I think you're going to like. So head over to that video and I'll see you very shortly.